osprey, a dark brown fishing eagle, kite-sized raptor, brown and white head, white underparts. Across the upper breast, a broad breastband, useful identification aid at a distance. Uncommon winter visitors. Breeds in Europe, Scotland, Asia, Japan, Africa, China and Saudi Arabia, in India, Himalayas, Ladakh, Kashmir, Uttaranchal in high altitudinal zonations. Winter visitor to all over India. Frequents water bodies, both inland and coastal waters, rivers, geels, reservoirs, estuaries, irrigation tanks, etc. Chiefly feeds on fish. A fish-eating hawk. Singly or in pairs, perches on posts near water or on bare tree branches.